Ashwagandha and banana smoothie. This recipe features ashwagandha, a herb from India that is renowned in Ayurvedic medicine for its building and nourishing qualities. This herb has quickly become popular for Western herbalists. Herbalists frequently use ashwagandha root for people who are chronically stressed, run down, prone to frequent colds and flus, and those who have degenerative diseases such as arthritis. Ashwagandha is also revered for people with anxiety and insomnia. In a study on anxiety, one group of people received a small dose of ashwagandha, deep breathing exercises, and dietary advice. Another group received psychotherapy, the same breathing exercises, and a placebo to replace the ashwagandha. After 8 weeks, those taking ashwagandha showed more improvement in anxiety levels than the placebo group. Ashwagandha for sexual health. This herb has long been used to support sexual desire and fertility. Science is further confirming this. In one study, 75 men taking ashwagandha were shown to have improved semen quality, which researchers credited to decreased levels of oxidative stress and regulated hormone levels. Another study looked at 180 men taking 5 grams of ashwagandha for 3 months. The researchers reported that ashwagandha not only reboots enzymatic activity of metabolic pathways and energy metabolism but also invigorates the harmonic balance of seminal plasma metabolites and reproductive hormones in infertile men. The herb has also been shown to improve the sexual function of healthy women. In one study, 25 women were given a concentrated root extract of ashwagandha and 25 were given a placebo. After 8 weeks, those taking the ashwagandha root showed numerous significant improvements in sexual function, including lubrication and orgasm. Essentially, this herb helps you to sleep better, increases your energy, soothes your nervous system to address anxiety and stress, and supports your reproductive system, which results in better sex. Ashwagandha really is a powerful herb. Ashwagandha is generally regarded as a safe herb that will benefit most people. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Only use ashwagandha during pregnancy under the advice of a health professional. Do not take with barbiturates, as it may potentiate their sedative effects. According to Ayurvedic theory, this herb should not be used if there is a current upper respiratory infection or lots of mucus congestion. Ashwagandha banana smoothie. This smoothie is a great way to share the nourishing and supportive qualities of ashwagandha. If you're vegan or have a sensitivity to dairy, you can use any non-dairy yogurt of your choice. For the nut or seed butter, peanut, almond, cashew, and sunflower seed butters are all good options. What you'll need: 2 bananas, 2 cups of almond milk, 1 cup of plain yogurt, half a cup of nut or seed butter, 50 grams of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of ashwagandha powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, maple syrup or honey. Place all the ingredients into a blender and blend until smooth. This should yield around 5 cups or 3 to 5 servings. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and we'll see you next time.